Uthi kuzoyenzeka lento le ukuthi ngishaya umuridi ngesicima semzini. Let's go. Come, ladies. You tried to escape? I caught you. Let me show you how we deal with people that try to escape. You know what obstacle course? Okay? Langutwa. The team that loses, Ramapani again. Cocomelons, come. And then, like they say, no man is an island. Ki henda uva bana, ke ba isa go diabrafan mi bareng ke major pain. Major ke motho le ngore ke ena a khonang obstacle course. Ke ena motho a khonang ho ba pusha to their maximum. All right. Level. Watch and learn. All right. Siap. Are. And then you're done. Clap it. The obstacle course is meant to teach them how to do things at a certain time according to the steps tsa teng. A o no tloga mo wa champela kwa wa boa wa ira dilotse ka mkho o irang mo bophelong. O thoma ka go gogoba, o totobe, o crawle, and then wa khasa, and then wa ema, and then wa shiana. So major pain ke na motho le ngore o tlo ba pusha through that. Move. Hey, Laura, man. Go. Run. Move. Are, slow motion. Come on, Biggie. Biggie. One chase, Biggie. Biggie. Move. Run. Oh, Biggie, stand up, Biggie. Come, Biggie, stand up. Come, boy. Stand up. Yeah, stop. Stand up, Big. Sorry, Big. Come. Go sit down. Move. Jump. Yes. Come, boy. Come, sit there. Nice. Come. Move. Nice, boy. Hurry, pap. Nice, boy. Now, move. Push yourself, man. Push. Go start. Move. Yeah. Move. Hey, hurry, move. Feet. Move. Biggie, come on, Biggie, move. Oza, boy. Oza Magumba. Oza. Like they say mo bophelong o ka se no tsoha wa shiana. O tlo crawler, wa emella, wa walker e fetsa wa shiana. O ka se jumpi, wa ya kwa, wa boa wa tla mo. The obstacle course teaches them how to do things at the right time, at the right step. Major pain will be able to push that. Run, move, run, move. Arre, Namela. Arre, hey, move. Arre, move. Arre, Namela win. Arre, why is he? Arre, man.
Guys, come on.
Wait up.
Lebitela ke Karabo Mathibedi ke tswa Sebokeng and I'm 14 years old. Ke fitile mo because of like ne ke sokodisa batswadi ba ka like ne ke tsuba Crystal Math and ne ke sa dula ke dula le boyfriend ka tlola sekolo.
Wait up. Move. Yeah, what Eva?
Hey. Os. Are, let's go. Yes. Yeah. Yes, kid. Yes.
Ne ke tsamaya le abuti wa boyfriend ya ka by the time. Ne ke batlana le boyfriend ya ka, it was last year around June. And then abuti wa boyfriend ba re ke re kene ka go mo. There's something that I batla o etsa, and then a re kena ka go mo, we started smoking into I excited me. And then be ke mo kopa taste se. So after I tasted, and then ya ba ke ntho ke etsa mole because ne qala experience, and experience was good. The first pull was like kind of like you must add another one. Second pull, I was like, okay, you can turn on add a hanyane fela where it's going. Third one, I was in another dimension, and I was enjoying that thing. Okay, mind yaka is some more and I feel like I'm floating, but I'm still here at the same time.
Are, Eva. Hey. Well, I'm around. Yes. Are, Bayanabak. Are.
It's already on channel 2. Say, you hear me?
Rawan, come over. Rawan, come over. Rawan, come over. Mike.
You can't hear. Channel 2.
Futhi kuzoyenzeka lento le ukuthi ngishawa reading streamer semzini.
Let's go. Come, ladies. Aye, man. Attention! Salute! Aris! Listen up, ne? Right. You're gonna play a game. The wheel game, ne? And the winner gets a nice reward. A nice one. Maybe you might eat chicken. Maybe some cake, Nyana. All right. Listen up. I need you all your best. All right? Okay, fine. Red team. To the corner. Now. Green. Corner.
Let's ball, boy.
Pink. The post. Run. Pink. Move it. Cheer, move. Move. Move, Baba. Move, Baba. Move. Time. Green team. Nice. Ladies, go, move. Hey, move. Don't push, move. Come, ladies. Go, girls. Move. Push yourself, man. Move. Almost there. Chigan. That's it. Pick it up. Hey, Mayan. Are, man. Move. Let's go. Are, man. Move. Push. Come, girls. Hey, move. Hey, pick it up, Are. Until the finish line. Let's go. Come, ladies, come. Hey. Nice, boys. Nice. At a time. And 2. All right. Number 3. For 53 seconds. It's
53.7.
green. And number 2 with 52 seconds. The pink team. And our winner for today, the red team. The best, Saba Jalasi. Thank you for it.
Afuna ukuvula yabo. Uthi khamba nini problem. Nami ngigangster sengizini. Sebamba inkundla nje bamzingile ekhaya. Trend lengikokile. Sivulile la trend la kubamba inkundla.
Amiboni njalo ngani ngomshosho.
Alright, go back.
Nako kwa mama jana mama.
Tema lakho.
Ai. Nabaka. Baka
Cheswa ikaro yabo. Cheswa ikaro khona imali zengifumela. Imali ezingifumelayo. Bamgadlazela. Imali zizama. 3000 yonke izobhayidrosa endlini. 1000 yami. 3000 isendlini.
Amnaka wasafunda ngakhira ukuthi ngamudile. Ngiyana naye.
Imali entshikile.
Mina.
Lo Mendes Street. Uwangijida.
Yeah, nginezuzu ya. Ngiyesinipho.
Ngoma
Ngithunele mama.
ngesinebe kodwa
Ezolo. Wena
namplomela robot adiphakathi ebentikobesi ya ngesta ke ngiyaphuma ke masengwane konzi phuma ngene robot phuma ngene emathulu ngene ngisho ifunza ngayile mina sengisokuthi ngisaseyile yabo engikwenzayo kuhluphayo ngiyabhema intsango nepipe ya bed scheme engihamba nazo lokushini sami siyaphuma namajensi futhi besikabo macala yabo sikabo macala shamqombothi vele plane 25 kusasa khambala futhi thini plane 25 yomali ayikho mina ngithi ukhiba futhi athi ngikhuphuke ngishaye ibhathu nebloka ngiphathi negoni lami vele ngiyabuya ngisakhuphuka ngidibane nesinye vele bekudala ngisifuna yabo ngimiswe uwe lo mntana ngimiswa uwe lo mntana ngingavele ngishove sengikhuhlwe nesikhathi ukuthi siyaphuma namajensi vele siya roundini aphuma manje futhi angishiya amajensi yabo aphume wodwa mayephuma wodwa futhi adibane nelinye time yabo futhi time azithi ziyaliphaka vele futhi time alichichisane no-1 ngegoni futhi amhlaba vai ngazi ku-left emthambeni oda kanjalo wajuza
vala ikasi lakho
yeah
la MCPN street la
MCPN street siyoba nokuthi futhi sifanayo sifana kanjalo futhi ngathi ngisho amajensi ayasho futhi ka uyazibona ukuthi hayibo ikasi lakabani lelisalayo man mangizibona ba umanzi athila kanjalo hawu kawuki
ikasi bese kaphelelwa amandla
besaphelelwa amandla yabo
bokuthi izinye izinto kumele kaphelele
inkundla ayibhadali yabo mara thina siyamajensi sincanye imali yoba vele ugcwele endlini uvele ucela 500 bathi bho kanjalo mara ugcwele waphuma nowasha ifoni uzobuya uthi bha phone ugcwele senabo ma 800
and wakathi na like ka namakhawash isinani ka like akukho lula ka ukuthi sigcine sienda phela lapho kwazanini nani
akuhlutshwa yini
mina next maybe nje lesi stage nyana ngithola
ayisenze leyo stage
uyazi ukuthi hayi yandlula ekugcineni wonke umuntu ufunda emaphutheni akhe yabo mangaba ukabona amaphutha akho mpintshama ngeke ufunde imali uzofunda ledi ubona amaphutha akho uthema ngithola
ngilasibhono nguleli mara ngisakwazi ukuthola izinto the way yabo belenzele nabantwana babo sisibama manje uyabona ukuthi hayi sisibama baphumula endlini kwenzakalani nabo nabantwana babo bahlala endlini mara bona kuhamba bolala emadodeni wabo bangathathi nabantwana babo ngisale nomoleli angenzela izinto trend njengelasibhono yabo
sure
futhi kuzenzeka lento le ukuthi ngishaya umoleli ngesicima semzini endlini sihlala nomama so ukuthi manje singabantu abathanda imali manje abantu abathanda imali kanje mina ngachayiswa imoto ngaphumelwa imali manje le mali lezi eziphumile ngiyazilwela ngifuna la kumse and like endlini bathe banginike imali manje mina ngiyaba threatenisha endlini ukuthi ngithola imali uthi uyazi masamaxhosa sinabo ama-ankili nobo-ankila umahlala kini mara niyahlobana futhi vele bo-ankili bafike vele hayi umphusha umawulili kanjani angena 2024 ayikahle yasemzini khudi indobo injani yasemzini that's one, that's 2, that's 3 senthi ngisebhedini injani angikwazi nokugeza igazi gcwele usudombile yasemzini ave waba ukuthi kushona vele i-uncle lami yabo bese ngishiftile nakhona endlini kushona i-uncle bo nobo moleli njani senze nokushonile and liya kumaybe stele lo moleli njani senze kushonile sengivile endlini
so asambe ka bazoze bashaye ka bose ka yazi amayazi
You tried to escape? I caught you. Let me show you how we deal with people that try to escape. Come here. Come here. Stand here. Stand here. Zwakala Mjovo. Do what you said you're gonna do to him. Do what you said you're gonna do to him. Do what you said you're gonna do to him. Do what you told everyone outside you're gonna do to him. Do it. Do it. Nang, Mshai. Yona son, Mshai. Fight him. You said you wanna fight him, Mos. And apparently you have the strength to push him like this.
No, I didn't push him, sir. He was like, was kind down that.
And then, how do you know which situation I'm talking about?
Because I know exactly what happened.
What happened?
He came to me and then he wanted to, like, he wanted to I asked me for the number, and then I told him the number.
And then what did you do?
And then I told him the number. And then after that,
All right.
he wanted to slap me.
Mvulele indlela Jovis. Mulele mo. Mulele mo ntshetse dustbin. Apparently you were planning to run away today. Run. Run.
Never.
I'll give you a head start. Run.
I won't even get home.
Hey son, run. 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 Run away, son. I said run away. Run away. Run. You said you want to escape. Run. Escape. Escape. Run. Go home. Run. Run. Hey, there's no one in front of you. Run. Go into that bush and run. 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 Where were you going to start when you were planning it? Where were you going to start when you were planning it? Where were you going to start when you were planning it? What was your plan?
We didn't even have a plan. I was just angry, sir.
Huh?
I was just like...
So you planting this mentality that you're going to run away in the minds of these small boys. Run. Run.
No, sir.
Huh? I said run.
No.
I said run. Hey, come here. Come here. Come here. You know how to fight the facilitator, Mos. You are a man.
No, sir.
You are a man, Mos. Eh? You are a man, Mos. You wanted to fight Sir Jovis.
But I didn't even raise my hand or anything, sir.
Run. I'm giving you a head start. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. You want me to stand here? Run. Escape. I'll stand here. I'll stand here. I'll give you the distance. I'll stand here. It's open. Run. You want directions? This is how you go, you leave. You go there. You turn right. There's this bush. You go straight into the bush. You turn left. You'll see a big gate there. Nah. You home free. Run. 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 Test me again, boy. Ne? Do try to test me again. Ne? Run. 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 Why are you stopping? If I catch you. If I catch you. Run. Run. Ah, you said you want to run. All right. You tried to escape.
I didn't go
I
there.
caught you. You tried to escape. I caught you. Let me show you how we deal with people that try to escape. It's that simple.